Hey, everyone. Imagine a world where humans never took the throne. No crowded streets. No offices, just cozy dens ruled by Sphynx cats. That's right, those sleek, hairless cuddle champs with their wrinkled skin and playful leaps, originally from Canada but stealing hearts worldwide. Sounds like a perfect sci-fi twist, right? Well, grab your warm blanket, because we're purring into a what-if adventure. What if Sphynx cats evolved to become the planet's top bosses? Sphynx cats are already the rulers of the cuddle kingdom. These hairless felines flex their agile moves to leap across rooms, thriving in warm indoor spaces with a diet of meaty treats, all while purring their way into our hearts with their social charm. Their wrinkled skin and big eyes make them nature's little divas, perfectly adapted to cozy environments. But what if these purr-powered pals got a major upgrade and took over Earth? In this video, we're exploring how Sphynx cats could evolve into super smart rulers, build warm empires with a leap, and maybe even outmaneuver us humans at running the planet. From fabric-woven cities to a culture of purr songs and grooming rituals, this is gonna be one cozy, epic ride. So, stick with us as we dive into a world ruled by the ultimate hairless overlords. Let's get purring. How did these indoor champs go from lap cats to Earth's big shots? So, how did these cozy, indoor-loving Sphynx cats go from lap cats to Earth's big shots? Let's purr into the science well. Science with a dash of sci-fi meow to figure out why Sphynx cats could evolve into the ultimate rulers of the planet. Sphynx cats are already the champs of the cuddle zone. That hairless skin keeps them warm and cozy, while their agile leaps turn furniture into playgrounds, and their social purrs make them the life of any den. They thrive on a meaty diet, adapting to indoor life with a knack for charming anyone nearby. To rule Earth, though, they need a serious brain boost and a leap of evolutionary magic. Picture this: millions of years ago, Earth gets a warm makeover. Maybe climates shift to favor cozy nooks, or a cosmic quirk wipes out bigger predators, leaving Sphynx cats as the survivors. Humans never leaped past the first couch our ancestors got outpurred, but Sphynx cats, they're thriving in their toasty playground, ready to take the stage. A lucky genetic mutation supercharges their brains, turning their playful smarts into full-on genius. Suddenly, they're not just leaping their planning inventing, maybe even hosting the first purr concert. Let's talk about their bodies, because those are the real MVPs. Those agile paws could evolve for even nimbler jumps or delicate tool use, like crafting with fabric or wood. Their hairless skin might adapt to regulate heat better, doubling as a display for communication, while their leaps grow versatile for climbing or building. Their keen senses could sharpen, letting them navigate warm worlds with ease, all while keeping that feline charm, unlike humans, who needed fire to cook. Sphynx cats could stay sleek, ruling the indoors with minimal fuss. Their social vibe is the secret sauce. Sphynx cats are super affectionate, purring and meowing to bond with their crew. In our story, they get chattier, evolving purrs, meows, and body language into a legit language. Like an indoor symphony, the knack for teamwork could spark cooperation, sharing grooming tricks or den hacks like humans shared stories. Over time, they'd form close prides, linking warm hubs with fabric trails and sunlit paths. Why Sphynx cats? They've got the agility, the charm, and the smarts to seize their moment. A warm, cozy Earth would be their stage, and they'd purr right into the starring role. Next up, we'll explore what their purring empire looks like. Think fabric woven cities, purr dances, and a whole lot of hairless flair. Stay tuned, this Sphynx cat takeover is just getting perfect. We've just purred into how Sphynx cats could evolve into Earth's wildest masterminds, with supercharged brains, agile leaps, and a knack for ruling the warm indoors in their cozy playground. But what happens when these hairless hoppers start building their own empire? Hang on to your cushions, because we're purring into the sleek, warm world of a Sphynx cat-run planet. Spoiler, it's like an indoor party with extra purrs, leaps, and hairless flair. Picture a Sphynx cat city sprawling across a sunlit landscape, where fabric-woven dens and heated stone shelters gleam under soft lights, linked by cushioned trails and solar-warmed nest. This isn't some cold concrete jungle, no. The hubs are patched together with textiles, wood, and cozy nooks, with plush beds tucked into corners for kittens to nap. Sphynx cats leap across platforms, their hairless skin shimmering as they haul meat treats, some practicing jumps, others purring to show off. It's a bustling, toasty metropolis that's equal parts chic and charming, like a sci-fi den kingdom under the sun. Let's talk society, because these cats keep it close yet quirky. They're naturally social, led by the most charismatic cats with the smoothest purrs. Decisions happen in warm dens during purr councils, where Sphynx cats meow and gesture, their wrinkled bodies swaying like living heaters in a lively debate. It's all about harmony and no chaos, just synchronized leaps, with maybe a grooming salute to seal a good plan. Their affectionate spirit means every cat has a role, from hunting patrols to guarding the best sunspots. Their tech is pure indoor ingenuity. Forget steel factories, Sphynx cats craft tools from fabric, wood, and heated stones, like scoops for meat or looms for textiles. Their agile paws help them build solar warm nests from polished wood, keeping their homes toasty in any climate. Picture a cat engineer, its skin glowing, tweaking a fabric insulation system to perfect their den's warmth. They harness the sun's rays and indoor heat for energy, keeping their fabric hubs thriving without harming the land. It's ecotech, so clever, it makes our cities look like chilly relics. Culture. These cats are the artists of the den. Their art is all about warmth. Think paw-painted fabric murals or purr songs that ripple through the air. Festivals are a purr, with Sphynx cats performing synchronized leaps on cushioned stages, their hairless skin catching the light like a sleek parade. Picture a twilight ritual where prides gather, purring in harmony as they celebrate a big hunt, their bodies swaying like a rhythmic chant. Their language evolved from purrs, meows, and body language is like an indoor melody, saying everything from food here to time to leap. It's a culture of cozy pride, where every cat feels part of a purring family, bonded by their love of warmth. As they spread across Earth's warm landscapes, their cities connect through fabric trails and sunlit paths, like a purring network linking den hubs from deserts to new tropics. It's a world of agility, charm, and indoor bliss, built on the Sphynx cat's knack for thriving in the heat. But can they keep this purring empire leaping? Next, we'll dive into the challenges they face, from predators to their own heat needs. Stay with us, this Sphynx cat saga is about to get warmer than a sunlit nap we've just purred into. The sleek, warm world of Sphynx cat civilization, fabric-woven den cities, purring festivals, and tech that's all about solar-powered coziness. But ruling Earth isn't all smooth leaps, even for these hairless, heat-loving champs. So, what challenges could cool down their purring empire? Let's dive into the wild, whisker-witching obstacles our Sphynx cat pals might face to keep their warm utopia thriving. First off, the environment is a tricky cushion to land on. Sphynx cats are the kings of the cozy indoors, thriving in warm dens with their agile leaps and hairless skin. But Earth's not one big sunroom. Try ruling icy tundras, rainy forests, or scorching deserts with no heat to soak in. Expanding beyond their toasty domain means adapting to new climates, but temperature drops, humidity shifts, or storms could chill their fabric shelters. Picture a pride racing to reinforce a fabric wall as a cold snap hits, their skin shivering in the breeze. They need to get super crafty, maybe rigging heated stones or sunlit trails to scout new warm spots to keep their cities glowing. Then there's the predator problem. Sphynx cats are sleek up to 8 pounds of purr, but evolved dogs or human remnants could see them as a tasty snack. Imagine a tense leap off a squad of Sphynx cats, wielding fabric-shielded claws, purring fiercely as they fend off a dog pack in a dusty den, their agile bodies dodging with grace. Their speed and charm could shine, maybe setting up fabric traps to outmaneuver foes. But a determined predator could overwhelm even the nimblest cat. Venturing into wilder lands might bring nastier threats, like evolved birds swooping down on their kittens. Biology's another hurdle. Sphynx cats are heat machines, needing warmth and a steady meat diet to fuel their leaps. Feeding a sprawling empire is tough, and overeating prey could strip their warm zones bare. Like humans overfish their seas, their reproduction for 2-6 kittens per litter helps, but raising a big population takes time and heated nest. Picture a cat leader, its whiskers twitching, stressing over a shrinking sunspot while kittens tumble nearby. Even with sharper brains, balancing food and heat would be a purring puzzle, requiring clever hunting routes or fabric stored warm to keep prides thriving. Can they outleap these challenges? Their agility and smarts say they've got a shot, but it's a wild indoor dash. Next, we'll compare their cozy world to ours and ask, could these purring champs outmaneuver humans at running Earth? Stay with us, this Sphynx cat saga is getting hotter than a sunlit nap. We've just leaped through the wild challenges our Sphynx cat champs would face: chilly storms, sneaky predators, and their heat-loving ways threatening their fabric-woven empire. But how does their cozy, purring world stack up against human civilization? Could these hairless hoppers really outmaneuver us at running Earth? Let's wrap up this sleek saga with a deep dive into what their reign teaches us, plus a big, purring call to action to keep the adventure leaping. Let's break it down. Humans built incredible feat spacecraft soaring to the stars, towering cities, apps for ordering snacks at midnight, but we also scarred the planet with pollution, deforestation, and overfished oceans. Sphynx cats, though, their indoor settlements, crafted from fabrics and glowing with solar nests, are pure cozy magic. thriving on meat without leaving a trace of waste. Their social spirit could dodge our global messes, settling disputes with purr councils or a gentle meow, not wars. Picture a Sphynx cat leader, its hairless skin shimmering like a regal cloak, combing a turf spat with a soft purr that's leadership with a leap. But here's the catch: their warm lifestyle ties them down. Humans conquered icy poles, rugged mountains, and vast seas with diverse tech and teamwork, while Sphynx cats might stay bound to sunlit zones, missing a worldwide empire. Their fabric and wood tech is ingenious, but might not match our leaps, like inventing rockets or streaming shows. Still, their world is a total game changer. Sphynx cats' hairless skin and agile leaps show us how to thrive in harmony with nature, turning warm dens into kingdoms without breaking a sweat. The meaty diet hunting with precision like an indoor buffet teaches us to live efficiently, using what's around without draining the land. Unlike us, they'd probably never clog their dens with plastic or overharvest their prey to extinction. Their affectionate yet independent vibe is a masterclass in balance. Each cat guards its space, but purrs together when it counts, like a pride that knows when to leap and when to cuddle. Their sleek resilience, leaping through chilly drafts, with a warm heart inspires us to roll with setbacks and keep the spirit flowing. Like a Sphynx cat landing a perfect jump after a stormy night, it's a wake-up call to cherish our own warm spaces with a bit more of their feline wisdom, protecting the cozy corners they rely on and ensuring those sunlit trails stay open for their hops. And our hope. So, what's the big takeaway? This Sphynx cat utopia isn't just a purring thought experiment, it's a mirror for us. These indoor superstars already rule our hearts. Imagine what they do with the brain boost. Saving their real-world warm habitats means a healthier planet for everyone, keeping those cozy dens alive for their leaps and our dreams. Their reign could remind us to tread lightly, respect nature's warmth, and maybe even find joy in the sleekest, purriest corners of life. Could they outleap humans at running Earth? Their adaptability and charm say they might just take the lead, and that's worth a big, warm cheer. That's a wrap on our Sphynx cat saga. What do you think? Would their fabric-woven world outshine our concrete chaos? Could their hairless genius save the planet? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments. We're excited to hear your purrs. If you love this cozy, leap-packed adventure, smash that like button to show some love. It keeps our channel purring. Share this video with your crew who'd geek out over a Sphynx cat-ruled world. And hit subscribe with the bell to catch our next epic what if. Check out our other videos on alien empires, robot takeovers, or whatever crazy scenario we dream. Up next, from den tales to cosmic quest, we've got it all. Thanks for leaping with us. You make these adventures awesome. Keep purring, stay warm, and we'll see you in the next video.